Your clothes dryer's lint screen needs a different kind of cleaning you probably don't even realize. And I'm going to show you 2 easy ways to do that. Yeah, your clothes dryer's lint screen is an important thing to keep clean, so following this here laundry commandment is a good start. Here's one that was more clogged up than my arteries after the county fair. But even after cleaning that lint trap, sometimes your laundry still feels colder than a snake's belly in January. Not hot and steamy. So here's my 2 simple fixes. Now you can use a small vacuum hose, maybe a narrow cleaning brush, or just a bent coat hanger to reach this secret area I'm about to show you. And don't forget a flashlight, because we'll be going into places darker than Helen's heart.
You never do anything around here.
First though, let's start with something easy and make sure that exhaust duct is reamed out real good. This thing gets more backed up than traffic when it's discount day at the feed store. All right, so I pull that lint filter up and out of its slot, and I look down there with my flashlight. See, lint collects down in the depths of this chamber, and that's what most people never clean. Demille, you getting a good shot of that?
Yeah.
So I like working with this 10-gauge wire Helen flosses the raw turnip skins out of her teeth with, but coat hangers will work too. I just pick at it, you see, to fish out clumps of that lint. Fluffy and tender. Which, when we was kids, we couldn't afford cotton candy, so Ma would feed us lint on a stick. But don't you try that. Danger. Modern lint ain't safe to eat. Yeah. Now for my clothes dryer model, a few screws like this here hold the lint housing in place, and it can come off right easy. I play it safe when it comes to these electrical connections, and I don't use any flammable solvents in here, all right? My half-brother Melvin once wiped down an area around a pilot light with a kerosene-soaked rag. God rest his soul. But with a simple vacuum, I can clean this up right good. Here's a slot before cleaning, and here it is after. Wow, we got some fancy special effects, You see, focusing on the right area at least once a month can extend the life of a Demille, you getting the right shot? Oh, yeah. All right. You can extend the life of that beloved dryer you just don't want to part with. And it really does improve performance. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up. And check out some of my other appliance videos that'll save you more money than a coupon book. This is Merv himself. If this video helped you, help others by sharing it on social media. And be sure to subscribe.